Meituan is a food delivery company. It just open-sourced LongCat-2.0, a 1.6 trillion parameter model trained on AI accelerators instead of Nvidia GPUs. The weights are already public, under MIT. For 2 months, this model quietly ran near the top of OpenRouter's agent leaderboards under the codename Owl Alpha. Now, the name and the weights are public, a 1.6 trillion parameter mixture of experts, released under MIT. The real story isn't a benchmark, it's how it was built. Pre-training ran across more than 35 trillion tokens, entirely on purpose-built AI accelerators with no rollbacks and no irrecoverable loss spike restarts. A frontier scale model trained end-to-end off the GPU. Only about 48 billion of its parameters fire per token, which is what makes that feasible. On SWE-bench Pro, an agentic coding benchmark, LongCat scores 59.5. That's ahead of Gemini 3.1 Pro and GPT 5.5, though still behind Claude Opus 4.7 and 4.8. And every rival number there is the vendor's own reported score, not a test Meituan reran head-to-head. 2 design choices keep it cheap at long context. A sparse attention scheme that learns which tokens are worth attending to, and 135 billion extra embedding parameters that add capacity outside the expert mix. It's trained on data with context up to 1 million tokens long. 3 honest caveats. This isn't state-of-the-art. It trails Claude Opus on every code agent benchmark, and on GPQA-diamond pure knowledge, it scores 88.9, below every frontier model here. The cross-vendor comparison isn't controlled, and the hardware story is Meituan's own claim, with no chip vendor named and no outside audit. The weights and inference code are on Hugging Face now, under the MIT license, so you can run it or build on it today. The full tech report is on Meituan's blog. The headline here isn't a new leaderboard king, it's that a frontier-scale open model was trained end-to-end without a single Nvidia GPU. If that holds up, the map of what you can build these models on just got a lot wider.